being silly now.
Can you dance, Kendall?
Hey, Cameron, look at the eyes on the front of it when you roll it. Look at the eyes on the front.
When you roll it,
Roll it. Roll it and watch them. Roll it. See? Go up and down.
Here, roll it back to him. Now watch the eyes.
Wait, watch it. Watch the eyes.
The eyes wiggle.
Oh, a little dolly?
No, that's not a human.
Cameron, no, don't take it
Cameron.
from her. Go get him.
Brother and sister.
She beats him.
Well.
Okay, Kendall, here's your other present. Rip it out. Open it. Open it.
There you go, girl. Hold on. Here, just help her out.
Watch
Help her out.
Help her. Don't just open it. Let her do it.
Yeah, don't take it from her.
Back up a little bit. Couldn't even get a picture of it. Cameron, lean back. Lean back. Let Kendall do some too. It's her birthday present. Okay? Lean back so Mommy and Daddy can get pictures. Cameron.
Well, you're a big help.
Okay, let her do it too. Whoa, what is it? Cool. It's a boat for the tub. You put it in the bathtub and then have the animals in there.
Show it to Kendall.
Yeah, that's cool. You guys don't have anything like that.